In the soft glow of moonlight, where whispers float and souls entwine, a gentle symphony begins, weaving through the tapestry of time. Emotions tender, a soft caress, kindling flames of sweet tenderness. Touches gentle, a love so grand, guiding us to a serene land. Minds in harmony, doors unlocked, in the garden of love we softly walk. Together in rhythm, a gentle sway, in a soft convergence we find our way. In the quietude where desires speak, in gentle whispers, not a shriek. From yearning looks to soft caresses, to peaks of joy love confesses. Then back to longing, softly it turns, in love's warm glow the heart yearns. A gentle cycle ever so true of longing, fulfillment and love anew. Where vulnerability blooms, trust gently guides, under the moon where love resides. With open hearts, trust softly grows, leading to moments, love overflows. A pivot soft, where trust is the key, to moments of bliss, to being free. In the embrace of trust, love finds its way, in a bond of tenderness, where we stay. Alone, a journey to the heart's core, together, a love that is so much more. A melody of two hearts in embrace, beyond the stars, in love's grace. In this union, a soft glow where love's true colors begin to show. Hand in hand, heart to heart, in love's dance we play our part. In the calm that follows, in love's gentle light, where heart meets heart, in the quiet night. We ponder the dance, the soft ebb and flow of desires, of bonds we've come to know. The orgasm, not just a peak, but a journey, soft and unique, of balance, of sharing, of tender might, in our quest for love, in the night.